Did you know that in the United States alone, an estimated 400,000 children go missing every year? Among them, autistic children who elope are at a higher risk of danger.
I was distracted for a second and he was gone. I'm so sorry.
Every year, countless individuals face life-threatening situations while home alone. Seizures and severe allergies are among the many perils that may arise.
Dad? I'm worried. I'm on my way there now. Voicemail box full.
Every year, thousands of elderly individuals with dementia and disabilities go missing. In the United States alone, over 100,000 cases are reported annually.
You okay, sir? Great. You have one.
Introducing the Blackbird Smart Wristband. Don't let your loved ones become a statistic. Take necessary precautions to ensure their safety and well-being.
Yes, sir. He's okay.
Oh, thank you. Thank goodness. I was so worried.
Visit blackbirdtech.app.